Your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay. Okay. Isa pa na. Ah, isa pa. Okay.
My mouth.
Oh, sorry. Julin, just leave it here, anak. Those, those bug, ha. Diyos ko, pupunta daw ng Alaska. Oh, okay, Sora. Padala ka ng lapad. Oo.
Oh, I know idea.
What's your idea?
I know. I need work.
Oo. Katakot naman. Uy, Aisa, patawa ka. Ah.
Wow.
Umiyak na. Oo nga. Do you still have bag? You still need to be bag? Oh, naman eh, 26. I thought you're going to Alaska. Arrive in the Philippines on the 26th daw. You go to see Aisa? Aisa, I know this. Or Maricar. Maricar is in the Philippines. You can go see her. Sora, Aisa is in the Philippines. Lapunta sa bahay mo, Aisa. Oy, oh, Philippines. Maricar is in the Philippines. Maricar, punta ka daw ni Sora, best friend mo. You do Cathay Pacific to Seattle, Japan to Seattle, Cathay Pacific, and then Cathay Pacific, Seattle to Alaska. That's how you do it. Ano ba yun? Pasira, may ketok, no? Try Cathay Pacific. Get a ticket to Cathay Pacific.
Wow.
Then you go to Seattle. In Philippines, Maricar is there. Maricar can meet you. And then you go to Isa. What you got? You got a rock? Hey! Hey!
No,
How did you open it? Jade, you should go to the trail. Oh, there's a moose? Yeah, you can do Cathay Pacific. What happened? Oh. You got dirty. What happened? Use Cathay Pacific. Philippines, you can do Cathay Pacific.